First song we're gonna do is a song called Somebody Told Me. It's by The Killers. All right. Something new, taking its toll, and living without you. Have it ain't close in a place like this. I said I have it ain't close in a place like this. Bring it back down tonight. Thought I'd never ruin my moonlight. Somebody told me that you had a boyfriend. Looks like a girlfriend that I had February of last year. It's not confidential, I got potential. I rush it around.
Place yourself for me. I said maybe, baby, please. I just don't know
Somebody told me that you had a boyfriend. Looks like a girlfriend that I had in February of last year. It's not confidential, I got potential. Rush it around. Somebody told me you had a boyfriend. Looks like a girlfriend that I had in February of last year. It's not confidential, I got potential. Rush it around. Somebody told me that you had a boyfriend. Looks like a girlfriend that I had in February of last year. It's not confidential, I got potential. Rush it
I have to be in front of you. Yeah.
All right. The next song we're gonna do is a song called Little Lion Man. It's originally by Mumford & Sons, but we're gonna do this in the style of a cover by a band called Tonight Alive. All right, ready?
Good, Joe. How was Josh?
weep, little lion man, never be what is in your heart. Weep for yourself, my man, you're not as brave as you were at the start. Rate yourself and wreck yourself, take all the courage you had left and waste it on fixing all the problems that you made in your own head. It's not your fault but mine, and it was your heart on the line. I really messed it up this time, didn't I, my dear? Didn't I, my
not yours on the line, and it's your heart on the line. I really messed it up this time, not my game. It's not your fault, mine, and it's your heart on the line. I really messed it up this time, not my game, not my game.
Hold on, can I do It's not your fault but mine, and it was your heart on the line. I really messed it up this time, not my game. It's not your fault but mine, and it was your heart on the line. I really messed it up this time, not my game, not my dear. Thank you guys. We've been Latin Tomato.
Europe. It includes Brian Unger on vocals, Gabriel Cajela on backup vocals, Esme Zahn on keys, and then Dylan Siegel, no, Luke Blecker on drums, Joe Robbins on guitar, and then me on bass.
Yeah. Now that she's back in the atmosphere, with drops of Jupiter in her hand. She acts like summer and walks like rain, reminds me that there's time to change it. Since her return from her stay on the moon, she listens like spring and she talks like June. But tell me, did you sail across the sun? Did you make it to the Milky Way to see the lights all faded? That heaven is overrated. Tell me, did you fall from a shooting star? One without a permanent scar? And did you miss me while you were looking for yourself out there? Now that she's back from that soul vacation, tracing her way through the constellations, yeah. She tries out more, so while she does top ball, reminds me that there's room to grow, hey. Now that she's back in the atmosphere, I'm afraid that she might think of me as plain old Jane Tolstoy about a man who was too afraid to fly, so he never did that. But tell me, did the wind sweep you off your feet? Did you finally get the chance to dance along the right day and head back toward the Milky Way? Tell me, your feet. Did you finally get the chance to dance along the light of day? Head back toward the Milky Way. Tell me, Venus blowing your mind. Was it everything you wanted to find? Did you miss me while you were looking for yourself? Tell me, did you sail across the sun? Did you make it to the Milky Way to see the lights all faded and that heaven is overrated? Tell me, did you fall from a shooting star? One without a permanent scar. Did you miss me while you were looking for yourself? Na 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 na. Did you finally get the chance to dance along the light of day? Na 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 na. Did you fall from a shooting star? Fall from a shooting star. Na 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 na. Now you're lonely looking for yourself out there.
We are the Super Ultra Mega Group Band, and this song is called Monkey Wrench.
What have we done with innocence? Did it disappear with time? It never made no sense. Adolescent residue, wasting another night on planning my revenge. 22, 22, don't wanna be your monkey man. One more indecent accident. I'd rather leave than suffer this. I'll never be your monkey man. Now it's time to make a move. What do you do when all your enemies are friends? Now and then I'll try to bend. Under pressure, wind up, snap it in the air. 22, 22, 22. Don't wanna be your monkey wrench. One more indecent accident. I'd rather leave than suffer this. I'll never be your monkey wrench.
Duncan. What should I say, Dustin?
She's actually going to do clarinet starting. Nothing like, I guess, your house might be quieter. Is she practicing well? Yeah. I think you can get her to plug in and plug a headphone in, right? You can hear things.
She plays a lot of acoustic too. So we have drums in our house.
Oh.
Oh, a snail on a ship. A snail.
Yeah, Justin.
There we go. This next song is called The Sweater Song. It's by Weezer. Hey Duncan, how you doing today? Good. Enjoying performance day so far?
Yeah.
You going home today?
Yeah.
Excited?
Wait, no.
Maybe, goddamn, I can sing and hear me, know me, if you want to start my sweater, hold this big as I walk away. You enjoying playing today?
Yeah.
Ready to continue?
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh no, it gone bye-bye. Who I think I sing, I die. If you want to destroy my sweater, whoa, hold this bit as I walk away. Watch me unravel. I'll see me naked, lying on the floor, I come under.
Joe. Yeah, Frank. Yeah, Dimitri.
How are we doing today? Are you enjoying performance today, Pop? Alright, this next song is by Muse. It's called Hysteria.
Yes, Muse.
Play that bass, Duncan. Good job. Which one?
There's another picture.
Good job, Justin.
That was dedicated to Thomas Wilkins,
No, me.
because he always bugs me about it.
Yeah, Joe. Hi, Tom.
Tom, did you hear that?
Yeah, one second. Hold on my life. All my life I've been searching for something, something never comes, never losing nothing, nothing satisfies when we're getting close, closer to the prize. All night long, when it comes around, it's taken away. Leave me with the feeling that I feel the most, till it comes alive when I see our toes. Calm down, don't you resist. You're such a delicate ring. Everything give it a twist. Something to hold when I lose my breath. Real lies are in there. To give me just what I need. One by one, hitting up my sleep. One by one, hitting up my sleep. Don't let it go to waste. I love it, but I hate to say it. Where keeping me down? Hey, don't let it go to waste. I love it, but I hate to say it. Where keeping me down? Well, I found a believer. Number one who believes. Number one who sees. Only man over down on my feet. If I get any closer, and if you were being a wife, time, on and on and on and on and on. There we go! Hey, don't let it go to waste. I love it, but I hate to say it. We're keeping me down. Hey, don't let it go to waste. I love it, but I hate to say it. We're keeping me down. All my life I've been searching for something, something never comes, never leads to nothing, nothing satisfies when we're getting close, closer to the prize. All night long, when it comes around, it's taking away. Leaves me with the feeling that I feel the most, feeling of the life when I see how it goes. Done, done, on to the next one, 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 done, done, and I'm on to the next, done, 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 done.